What's going on, guys? So a little update going on. The good news is that I can prolong this issue. It's going to be an injector issue. If I'm going to replace one, I need to go ahead and replace all of them. That's the bad news. Probably going to end up seeing what I can do and go from there. So
the work is outside the pickup, not inside.
Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, well, I got good news for you.
Okay.
I went up there, talked to Zane. I told him the issue about the data log that I sent into that other company, and he said when one goes out, it's like a domino effect. The next one's gonna go out because they've all seen the same fuel. Well, with all that being said, yeah.
All that being said,
that's the good news and the bad news.
That's the good news and the bad news.
Yeah, the good news is we can prolong it, but
did you see James up there?
No.
Okay.
You know, if you would fix the step that's broken.
It probably won't cross the main.
Yeah, I know that.
We got the camera?
Yeah, you know, you're just so wonderful to work with. Did you put the alternator back on? Batteries.
Needs an oil change.
Operator.
Needs an oil change in the back. It should start.
I hope so. All right, so I know this ain't car related. So go that way. Anyway, as you can see, today's not going to be a typical car vlog, but that's all right. This is part of what I do, so if people ask me, what do you do? How do you make money? I help my dad and his family business. So yeah, with that being said, this is what we do, and just kind of go from there. I mean, I don't know, hopefully y'all enjoy, hopefully it's somewhat entertaining, or maybe you can learn something. But with that being said, I got some Mexico runs planned. Even if I get my ass spanked, I don't care. I've got a stock car, and you know, can't ever see where it's at, you know, by not racing anybody. So I hope y'all enjoy, and I don't know, we'll go from there. Hey man, got a low tire. Damn, it's been all the fuck.
That'll work.
Let's need some WD-40. Alright, you want to do the hydraulics? Yep.
Yeah, I got sprayed.
Yo, and how was that? How good was it?
That's the Case International for you.
That tastes good?
It was good. It was
You gonna
oily.
go back for seconds?
Yeah, it was oily.
So basically, for y'all that don't know, you know, we farm and all that, but this is our little mover. If you remember from the transmission video, makeshift forklift for now. So, I guess with all this, I know it may not be the most entertaining video, but you know, it's not too bad, I guess. Well, hell yeah, that worked out like a fucking champ. So yeah, basically that's an idea of how we move shit around. I know it ain't the most fucking practical, but I mean, hey, it works. Yeah, you're probably not gonna get this content on any other channel, I can tell you that. Alrighty. That's how we kind of move that damn thing up and down, so. Yeah, I know. Thank y'all very much for the support. You know, y'all, that means a lot. You know, and it's nice to see some positive feedback. You know, of course, I know I'm gonna get some haters every once in a while, but you know, it's just, it is what it is. And I just want to say thank y'all very much for the support. And you know, I know this ain't the, you know, the typical style video that I normally post on the channel. We'll see how things go and we'll go from there. So
start his combine, bring it. Can you back it right here?
Yeah, I can back it here. Just, you know, make sure I don't hit shit.
Well, whatever, you don't hit that.
Oh, I'm gonna hit that first, and then I'm gonna back in. I'm gonna hit that.
It won't fit in here. It'll fit.
Oh, it'll fit. You got WD-40. We'll just lube it up. It'll fit. How much? How much? That'll work, okay. Why do you say it's gonna take a while?
Well, look, we got 5 gallons coming through.
God damn. Yeah, loosen the plug.
Well, it's out.
God damn it. Wasn't that just nifty? Nifty. Okay, so you're draining the oil now. What, you did all that while I went to go grab some food? Wow. Where?
It's 34. I remember when we touched it.
Move. Same look.
I'm on.
The hours on here says 34:34.
Well, how many hours are we at right now?
35:50. I imagine when you change that shit up there, you change this filter too. Yeah, you did. Because that says 610 of 17 and the bottom filter says 610 of 17.
What was the number on that thing?
34:34.
No, the number on the filter.
It's 33.43.9. They're both the same filter.
33.439.
Yeah, 33.43.9.
I want to put an AGCO on mine, or I put a. I think I put an AGCO on.
It's all about micron rating. It doesn't make a fuck what brand. It's all about micro rating. Yeah, this is the filter that goes back there, but you changed it at 34.34. So the engine hours were 34.34 when you changed it.
I'm not going to start a new combine until you're not changing the filter on it.
Okay. Well, you might have to put the engine hours that you started with, 35.50. Okay.
Look at that.
And you put the date. Good deal.
I gotta have them numbers so you can match up in fuel filters.
Yeah, which is fine. But I need an update on this.
It's sick.
What's sick about it? The viewers need to know, because I had a lot of people asking, you know, if you recall from the girlfriend drives my launches my ZL1 Camaro video, someone decided to haul ass out of here, but he put the foot to the floor and he didn't go nowhere. So everybody was asking how that high horsepower beast in the background was.
Let me tell you something. That clutch,
yeah,
it had so much power the clutch was slipping.
Oh yeah, clutch. Fucking right.
Slipper clutch, like in tractor pullers.
Yeah, right.
You know,
well, I want to know.
Get lined up and get out of it before it ever grab the hose.
Oh yeah. So I start it up. I need to hear it. The viewers need to hear it. Oh, look at that. High horsepower. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. The fucking insulation's coming off is so high horsepower.
The deal is it's been paid for since it was bought.
Oh well. Doesn't matter. Y'all just take a good old listen to this. Lauren, play that clip that goes back to him hauling ass. I gotta listen to it. I gotta listen to it. Oh yeah, sounds good. Oh yeah. Well, that's an update going on for those of y'all have been asking. Basically, yeah, I don't know. He thinks that it may have chewed a lobe off the cam. We don't know. I just know that he was talking about it, and he assumes that it's a lobe that's been ate off the cam. We really don't know, but you know, I guess we're really gonna know until we take it apart and find out. But it still fucking runs, so it sounds like a poppin' Johnny like that, but you know, it fucking still runs, so I guess that's, you know, it ain't too bad. Yeah, I think he blew the damn thing up or whatever. I don't know what the deal is, but I don't know. So like I said, I guess that'll be an update video coming later, but the old farm truck just gave out. So anyways, and for those of you who have known or that have seen this pickup around, you'll know why. You know why.